Guys, good morning. So yeah, I'm going to be Scotchgaurding beds. It looks different. It looks dark in this picture, but in there in person, hold on, I had to stop the music. Y'all know I love my music. I'm in search for some pillows. If y'all know some good pillows, I got enough to keep it okay because it's just me. That's my weighted blanket. But I'm about to Scotchgaurd this, but I'm not doing it in this room. So I'm about to take this out of the room and go Scotchgaurd it. If you don't know, I got this for 20 bucks. It was brand new, like brand spanking new. And I'm so excited. Like, it's very nice. So I have some Scotchgaurd. Naya's going to help me take it off. We're going to take it out to the patio and I'm going to spray a couple coats on it. Let it sit out there for a couple hours. It's not supposed to rain. And then bring it back. This is my room on a day that's not real sunny, but it's like partly sunny. And this is with no light on. So the house gets pretty bright and that's what I love about it. But yeah, we're getting ready to Scotchgaurd that bad boy. So watch me Scotchgaurd her. Yeah. And I am in my night clothes, as y'all see, with a pimple thing on my face. But yeah, let's go Scotchgaurd this thing. I'm going to show you the Scotchgaurd. I did a video on this several years ago, Scotchgaurding my dining room chairs, and a lot of you love this. They also have Scotchgaurd for carpet and rugs, which is a bigger container. So yeah, but we're going to be using this one for upholstery. So yeah, long-lasting protection, waterproof fabric. Let's get this on there. If you're new to the channel, I am the single mom versus the fixer-upper. I am a woman in my 40s who started all over in a new state, in a new town where I have no family and I don't know nobody. I got a fixer-upper and I am renovating it and sharing the journey with you guys. So if you're into that type of stuff and that type of content, sometimes I do live chats where we talk about real life, one-on-ones, and just how life is in this renovation and what I have going on. But I'm just loving the feel of this room. I got my vent up there as well. That probably won't be for a little bit because I got to go through that bag and find them. I got all brand new vents and I got to measure which one I need for that one. So yeah, this is it. This waterproof set, which also is good because I hate seeing people with cloth headboards and it's just like, ugh. But I always have something on my head, so I would do my best to never get nothing on it, like make it look greasy or look ugh. Yeah, so this is what I'm using. Let's go Scotchgaurd. I decided I'm gonna just lay it at the end of the bed up against the wall and just kind of spray it right here and put a fan over there to blow the fumes this way. Put this fan over there to blow the fumes this way and then another fan in the window to suck the fumes out. So that's what I'm getting ready to do. Yeah, instead of taking it outside, I really don't want to take it outside. So, all right, so I got one blowing. It's going to be right here. The other one is sucking it out. So I'm going to put it right up here. All right, guys, so I'm gonna let this dry for about 10-15 minutes and come back with another coat. It's still over half in here, so I'm gonna come back with another coat. So I'll be right back. So I got some on the wall, so I just got done, hold on, just got done getting that off the wall. It was like a line of it going across the top, and I did get some on the floor, but it wiped up really good, so that's a good thing. So I'm getting ready to put another coat. It's been about 20 minutes. About to put another coat, and I'm gonna actually let it sit here overnight. I'm not even gonna put it on my bed yet and let the fan and stuff do its thing. So yeah, let's just get another coat on, and that'll be how I Scotchgaurded my headboard. You know what? Let me see if I can use like this. I'll spray them. The left side is the most important because that's where I sleep in anyways. Nobody's on the other side, so. It wiped off the wall good, but I don't want to have to wipe it off again. So just make sure you immediately wipe it as soon as you see it. It's not going to hurt anything, especially on a wall or a hard surface, but just in case, you never know. This one isn't as strong as the outdoor one I used. Okay. I'm going to leave this. Alright, so that's the way I Scotchgaurd my headboard. I'm going to leave it because I want it to fully dry. I don't want to get all that stuff on my hands. And I'm going to leave that for a couple hours. And probably later on before I leave, put it back up there. So for now, I'm just going to leave it there, let the room ventilate. It's not that strong. It actually smells stronger with the one I used for the outdoor furniture when I was outside. But this fan is doing this thing. Everything is doing what it needs to do. And this fan will actually help it dry a little bit better. So yeah, that's how I protected my headboard with some fabric water shield Scotchgaurd for upholsteries. And you can put this on your jacket, throw pillows, table linens, fabric purses, clothing, canvas shoes, backpacks, luggage. It does a lot, and I still have more left. So, and that was $7.12 at Walmart. All right guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to join the family if you have not, and how you do that is by hitting the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I load a new video and you won't miss out. And if you want to talk to me, talk in the comments. I talk back, and I will see you guys later, gators.